Hey, what's up guys, this is Rajesh and you're watching Input Output Campus. So today in this video we're going to learn how if-else condition works in JavaScript in a very simple way and with very basic examples. Okay, before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to Input Output Campus and press the bell icon, because when I'll upload a new video you'll get the notification first. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, let's create a folder here. I have also created a folder that is lesson 9, and inside this folder let's create a file here. So just click on this new file and write your file name, suppose index.html. okay, let's create a HTML file here and write the basic format of this HTML. So just click here exclamatory sign and you will get some sessions and just press enter and your HTML code is ready. And inside the body tag write your script tag here. Okay, now we'll write the if else condition in this script tag, and after that we'll write a CSS file also and a JavaScript file, separate JavaScript file, and then we'll see how to write the if else condition in the separate JavaScript file and apply our CSS design and JavaScript logic in HTML structure. Okay, so first of all let's start with some basic example. Okay, so suppose this variable and the variable name is n, and n takes a user input value, and how to take the user input I have discussed about it in some previous video. And you can take the user input using prompt. Okay, just write a prompt and give some message here. Suppose enter a number. Now give your if else condition. If the user input n is, suppose n is greater than equals to 0. If the value of n is greater than 0, then there will be some code, else there will be some code. So inside this if, we will also check two conditions. What are the two conditions? The first condition is if n is greater than 0, only greater than 0, and another is if n is equals to 0. Okay, so if n is equals to 0, then we'll print a message here, suppose number is 0, else the number will be positive. So first we check if n is greater than equals to 0 or not. If this condition satisfied, then it will check if n is equals to 0. Yes, if n is equals to 0, then this will print 0. Otherwise this will print n is positive number. So give the message here. Okay, so this was our first condition, and if this if condition fails, suppose user enters some negative number, then this will check the else condition, and here will show negative number. Okay, so let's save this and check. So press the go live button. Okay, and you can see our server is ready, and you have to enter a number. Okay, first enter a positive number, suppose 40, and press OK, and you can see this is a positive number. Okay, let's refresh the page and enter some other number like -25. Okay, and press enter, and you can see this negative number. Okay, let's enter 0 here and press OK, and you can see number is 0. Okay, let's enter some other symbol like this symbol. Okay, and press enter. You can see this negative number, and if the user enter something which is not a positive number or not a negative number. Okay, just write here else if and give here a condition. So if n is less than 0, if n is less than 0, then what? Then we'll print a message here, that is this is a negative number. So if n is greater than equals to 0, then there will be some message. If n is less than 0, then there will be some message. Otherwise, if user enters some other symbol except positive, negative number and 0, then there will be some message like you have not entered any number. Okay, just save it, give something like this and press OK, and you can see you have not entered any number. Okay,